गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं सब लोग। आज फिर से संडे का दिन है, सुबह के 5 बज रहे हैं। मैं फिर से अपनी साइकिल लेके निकल पड़ा हूँ। अभी मैं उडुपी के स्वागतकोपुरा जो मेरे घर के पास है वहाँ पे हूँ। अभी मैं निकल पड़ा हूँ मणिपाल की तरफ, क्योंकि हम लोग सब मणिपाल में मिल रहे हैं और मणिपाल से हम लोग चलेंगे मलपे की तरफ। आज फिट इंडिया के मणिपाल वालों ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया फिट इंडिया साइकिल राइड फॉर हेल्थ। तो एक्साइटिंग है, सब लोग मिलेंगे, फिर से सारे दोस्त मिलेंगे, बहुत मज़ा आएगा। आप लोग भी चलो मेरे साथ, हम लोग सब साथ राइड करेंगे और राइड का मज़ा लेंगे। अभी मैं यहाँ से आगे बढ़ूँगा, जाके थोड़ी दूर में अम्बलपाड़ी जंक्शन में मेरे साइकिलिंग गुरु डॉक्टर गुरुराज का वेट करूँगा। वहाँ से आगे बढ़ेंगे, सारे दोस्त मिलेंगे, राइड का मज़ा करेंगे। देखते हैं, एक्साइटिंग रहेगा आज का भी राइड। एज़ यूजुअल साइकिलिंग राइड बहुत एक्साइटिंग होता है। चलो दोस्तों, आगे बढ़ते हैं, फटाफट एंजॉय करते हैं हमारा राइड। देखते हैं क्या सब होगा आज। चलो। मेरे साइकिलिंग गुरु डॉक्टर गुरुराज सर भी आ रहे हैं। अब इनके साथ हमें मणिपाल जाना है, वो भी पहुंच गए। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग। हो गया। साइकिल्स ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्टार्ट हो रहा है। यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है आज का राइड का। अभी सुबह के 6 बजे हैं, 6:15 रिपोर्टिंग टाइम है। लोग एग्जाइटमेंट में जल्दी आ चुके हैं। अभी बहुत सारे राइडर्स आएंगे। आज का रजिस्ट्रेशन ओवर बुक था। नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग। ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಮ್ಮದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು.
ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಗನ್. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
Dragon, okay. Who is Srinidhi here? Srinidhi is here. What's your name? Your name is Adit Sikri. Come on here.
यहाँ पे बहुत रेयरली टैंडम साइकिल देखने को मिलते हैं। ये टैंडम साइकिल, एक साथ बहुत सारे लोग रेड कर सकते हैं इसमें। ಗೈಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ, ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ?
ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಯ್
ಹಾಯ್,
ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಮ್ಮದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಉಂಟು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು.
ಹೌದಾ?
Who is in charge here?
टाइम से पहले ही बहुत सारे साइकिलिस्ट कलेक्ट हो चुके हैं.
Please come here to the first line. You are you listed, sir? In my team listed. Which team are you belonging to?
Sandeep is Reagan.
On the left.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕರಣ್ ಜನ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
हमारे दोस्त भी आ गए. ದೀಪಾ, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಹಾಯ್.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ನವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗ ದೀಪಕ್.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಸಲ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತಾ ನೀವು ಇದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ನೀವು
ಓ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರ ಸರ್? ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡಾ?
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ,
ಹಾಗೆ.
ಆದರೂ ಅದು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕೆಲವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮದು
ಹಾಗೆ.
ಕೆಲವರದ್ದು ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ 4-5 ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು 15 ಜನ. ಈಗ ನಾವೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 17 ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ನ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ವಿದೌಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ.
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ
Excuse me. Hello. 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 Excuse me. One moment. Just one moment, all of you. Please keep your cycles, park your cycles, stand behind that, and kindly listen to me for the next few moments. Please stand behind your cycles. Cycles be parked in that rows. Rows will park money, please. Let us have a little discipline so that it will be something different. That will be a very good beginning. Request, it's a request. Let's make it happen in the finest way. Right, Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Let's carry on. It's a wonderful event which is going to be unfurling in a quite a span of time. And Major Radhakrishna, Professor Radhakrishna, and just I'm helping the wonderful people who are organizing this particular event. We have Dr. Kamath, Ramchandra Kamath, who is a wonderful adventurer. We have got one more celebrated cyclist. Where is Ganesh? He is an international cyclist who has done the high altitude cycling, and even international cycling. A wonderful chap. I got a wonderful history of his performance, but right now there's no time to explain that. And then all budding youngsters over here. This event is organized by Dr. Kamath's body, Vaidikya Prakoshta, and then Amoga team from Hiryadka, and then Vasanti Pratishtana, the BVT group, and HDFC is also a partner with this. This event is done as a part of Fit India also. We the Indians should be fit to face any kind of a situation, to be the real patriots by keeping our good health. So I request all the youngsters and the seniors by age on record. Let us all see that a great healthy India is built up. So the point that is needed is a minimum discipline is needed. So we have organized into teams whose name is already listed there. First team will be led by the heroic women's team or the girls team, which is called as Ajay team. That is A team or Ajay team. Behind them is the Bravo team. May I request the Bravo team to raise your hands. How many is there? B team, raise your hands. And then C team is the captain team. C team is captain team. Will you please raise your hands? Right. And D team is Dracos or dragon team. Dracos is a wonderful bird, most intelligent next to the human beings, which can change the voices the way it wants. Then we have got the eagles. We have got only 2 people here. Is it 3? How many are there? We'll see. We'll organize that. E team is the eagle team. Then we have got the F team, which is fighters. You are in charge of that. Fighters, F team. And then we have got G team. G is gallants. It's a golden hawk or whatever it is, but still gallants. You are going to achieve something in life. And then we have got X team, which is hero. X team is hero. And after that, we have got a wonderful set of people with lots of initiative who are coming, and we will be grouping them into different teams. So, few requests. This is the protocol for a cycle rally of this kind with matured and immature and professional cyclists. What is needed is each team, for example, ladies will lead. The one lady who is about to join is Savita, if I am right. She will be the leading. What does it mean? Leading means is they will follow you. Behind you, all the team members will go single line. There is no question of files, means 2 people going together, not allowed, for safety reasons. For safety reasons. Matured, capable and professional riders, please cooperate. You are the guide for the youngsters. So single line alle hoglikirudu. The total distance of this whole rally will be about 150 meters. 150 meters irtade, and each cyclist in naduve 3 feet gap are itkolಬೇಕು. Between cyclists 3 feet gap, 1 gap is there. And between 2 teams, A team and B team, the gap is about 8 to 10 feet. And any inconvenience, technical inconvenience or please inform your leader, and there will be 2 people in command. One is Dr. Ram Kamath. Please, Ram. This is Dr. Ram. Dr. Ram.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಈಗ
Mr. Ashok, our wonderful international cyclist, again will be in, Ganesh.
Sakaitu, after a long time.
very long time.
Lord forbid the doctors come and treat you. We want you to be the best and the best under the sun and in this manner. I will ask you to clap hands. Please leave your cycles. Leave your cycles. Hands empty, please. All of you. I request all of you to clap hands. Let's have a little of Josh. Clap hands, please. This clapping is very dull. Let it be strong. Look at this. Look at the sound. Come on, all of you. Right. Now, excuse me. Listen to the slogans now. When I say, you will be doing like this. 1, 2, 3, Jai. Is it clear? You will shout 1, 2, 3, Jai. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, Jai. Right? This is number 1. Number 2 is 1, 2, 3, ho. Right? Number 1 is 1, 2, 3, Jai. Number 2 is 1, 2, 3, ho. Number 3 is 1, 2, 3, India. Am I clear? Yes. Shall we try it? Yes. Ready? Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, Jai. 1, 2, 3, ho. 1, 2, 3, India. Now the 4th one is more important. 1, 2, 3, Jai, ho, and look at the hand. Jai, ho, India. India shining. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Let us try once again. All of you have the Josh. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, Jai. 1, 2, 3, ho. 1, 2, 3, India. 1, 2, 3, Jai, ho, India. Good enough? We will do it afterwards. So kindly stand behind your cycles, park your cycles with its handle tilted left. That's the system. And stand behind the cycles in the gap.
ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅವರು 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅದೇಯಾ?
ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಯ್, ಜನ ಬಾರಿ ಪಾಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಟರ್?
Not more than 7 in a team, sir. The friends need not be together.
Sir, please don't divide and rule. We'll want to be together.
No, sorry. You have your fun affair later, next week. Not today. No, we want a mix. Acha bachis to chiknis and achas.
Yes, sir.
Not more than 7 in a team, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finished. Your team is over. Are you leading?
Yes, sir.
Right. Come, sir. I forgot your name.
Dr. Vincent Alwas.
Dr. Vincent, come. Doctor, take 6 people on your left.
Sir, I am with you.
Even
Our leader will be.
No, sir. You are the
we
leader.
don't allow the transfer of leadership unless there is a disaster. Come here.
Yes, sir.
Please come, sir. We don't believe in that. Each one is a powerful person. Bunny, sir. I think you'll be very close to your intimate friends. Bunny, please come this side.
Guys, start.
7 people will be on your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I am there.
6. One more behind.
लड़के टैंडम साइकिल चलाने का प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उनको देखना.
ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. So it triggers something for dogs when you get a blinking light. Yes, tail light. So just turn them.
Sir, can't do anything. Dogs will chase.
No, if you turn off your tail
See,
light.
they are supporting you to increase your efficiency and speed. You should appreciate them.
Today I don't think I will ride. I will look at your bicycle and.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಟೌನಿಗೆ ಇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ ಟೌನಿಗೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅವೇನು 6 ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿತ್ರ
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿತ್ರ
They want to organize in systematic way. One single line is allowed, not in a group. ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅದದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಸಹ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ
ಅದು
ಉಂಟು.
ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು.
ಬರ್ತೇನೆ.
When it comes to the matter of system and discipline, no excuse. You have to, doctor. Are you a surgeon or something?
He is principal of
You know me very well, but you can't recognize me now.
Kalyanpura.
My goodness, you nailed hard uniform language. Sorry. Where are you now? I'm so sorry. I couldn't recognize. Maybe on documents I have aged. हो गया, बहुत साल हो गया ना.
I'm following you.
I remember the Hello, gentlemen and ladies, please have a look. We have got one which cannot be folded. Please, bear with us. Now today we saw things today. Going speed is this much. Stay speed. It's an enjoyment run. Rally for health, fitness and pleasure. Jolly ride.
ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ
ದೀಪಕ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಅದು ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಕಚ್ಚೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಅಪರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋದು, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋದು ಯಾರು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್. ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
Others to wait. Every 1 minute waiting would be about 70 to 80 minutes gone from our life. It should not happen. So are you with us? The ladies team with the
Yes,
flag,
sir.
with the banner. Are you with us? Right. Please have a look this side. ತುಂಬ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಟ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So the point is that the people behind this show to work for the fitness of India with you as the people of power are here. I request Dr. Ram to introduce all of them in the next minute or so. Please, Dr. Ram.
Good morning. Why we are having cycling is India physical activity is only 15%. That is equal to 0. So that is why I need every cyclist to be a model. So that is the first aim. Second is it is not at all a race. It is just a passion, it is a hobby, and everybody will see us and they will buy cycle or they will start cycling. So we had this idea 2 weeks back. We never thought this much overwhelming response we will get. Thank you for all joining us. We have this bike wasn't a bike published very fast, so a lot of work is done. We have among the truck from Indian car, so wonderful work they will do. And we have second class. They can't. So they are all the source of inspiration. And when we were under crisis, everybody in our life, we will go through all the obstacles, barriers, and crisis. And I am very thankful to my teacher, Professor Radhakrishna, who helped us in the last minute. So thank you so much. Okay. And I think the rules and regulations, everything we have put, it is a very systematic, and everybody should enjoy. I don't want any complaints. All leaders are there. Or any award for
I'd like to warn you to sound the vehicles. Finally, the instructions we followed. Discipline all the places. Alpha team or Ajay team containing otherwise all women, girls will be there as a powerful leader. But always then the quadruplicate cyclist, not within the team will be going. The speed followed by the 4-member cycling team will be the speed of the whole contingent. Ajay will be followed by Brevo team. The distance between Ajay team and Brevo team will be about 8 feet. Between 2 teams, 8 feet difference. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ you will go parallel to each other, side by side. Not here, because we got mix-up of young people with lots of enthusiasm, anxiety. We don't want anything to happen. If you look at the balance, 2 fall down, and then behind them, a trolley of the people may fall down. It should not happen. Having seen many cycle rallies, I am coming up with these ideas. Please. And the team captain, Brevo team, how many are there? Brevo, कितना आती है आपके साथ? How many are there?
We do not have helmets. If we fall down, really difficult. Okay, so slow, safe,
ಸರ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
and happiness. Okay, so remember, we have to follow discipline. Okay, very slowly we'll go.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸಿ
What are you studying?
ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದೀಪಕ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಸೊ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಏನು ಸಹ ಗೊತ್ತು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ
Actually, youngsters, instead of watching something else, if they watch cycling videos, they will be inspired.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದು
From to this event, for next 12 months, they will have an event on second Sunday of every month.
Great,
So
sir.
next month, second Sunday, walk, then running, then social service. Something like that they're planning.
Oh, great, sir.
Yeah. So don't know. This is what Dr. Antar Kamath was telling.
That's great idea.
Oh. And they will upload it to Fit India. So Manipal in the Fit India. This is a thing what we are doing.
ಸುರೇಶ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಕೊಡಿ
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಹಾಕ
G. Team G. आप जी क्या जी आप जी
Boys, remember we have to come back. So save your energy. Remember, we are coming back again after going to my place. So you have to save your energy.
ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಹುಡುಕಿಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ತೀರಿ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಹುಡುಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ
Team fighter.
you have young fighters.
ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ಹೆಂಗ್
ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮೆಲ್ಲ ರೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುವ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಜೋಶ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಡ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೇಫ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಟೈಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 3 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋ ಸ್ಪೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ 4 ನಂಬರ್ 5 ನಂಬರ್ 6 ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಎದುರಾಗ 4 ಜನ ಎದುರು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದು ಕಾಲುಗಳು
E team, Eagles, please go behind. Someone behind a 3 feet gap. 8 to 10 feet between teams. Please go in the line.
ಲೀಡರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂದೆಯಾ
Munde.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Command 1 and Command 2 is at behind. Come on, sir. Go, sir.
ಜಿ
Gallon for holding hub. Oh, boy, very good. Come on, sir. G. The heroes. Oh, real hero is here. Wait, sir.
ಏ ಮಾಡಿ
सारे राइडर्स डिसिप्लिन के साथ राइड कर रहे हैं, कोई रेसिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए। ದೀಪಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಸರ್, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ದೀಪಕ್ ಮುಂದೆ
ದೀಪಕ್ ಈಗ ಮರೆತೋಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತ.
ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತ.
यहाँ पे रास्ता थोड़ा ख़राब है, संभल के राइड करना पड़ेगा। ಮೈಸಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮಲ್ಪೆಗೆ ಸೀದಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. you have seen my videos? You have seen my videos? You have subscribed, sir? Later, remind me, sir. I'll do in your mobile ID. 2 days back, my brother-in-law had forwarded the video of you and Vinay riding in Marvante. ದೀಪಕ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕೋದು? ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಆಗ್ನಿಂದ. ಸಂತು ಕಮಾನ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ನದ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾರ್ರೆ ನೀವು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಪವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ತಂತಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಂ, ಉಂಟು. ನೀವು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇವತ್ತಿನದ್ದು ಸಹ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ
ಹಾಂ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಅವರದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ರೋಹಿತ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಯ್ತು, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ 3 ಕಡೆ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರದ್ದು.
ಮೂರು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ
ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Side by side, Idi. Side by side. What happened?
Video.
Oh, sorry. Don't drink water immediately, sir.
Enjoyed, no?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Organize more such rides,
We'll have
sir.
next month. Next third Sunday or second Sunday.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. We all will be always ready,
Very happy that
and we'll be thankful to you for everything. This one will, even I'm making videos, will put in YouTube so that it inspires others.
Let's organize like that.
फाइनली मलपे भी आ गए, सब राइडर्स आके रुक रहे हैं. अच्छा पार्टी.
Manipal to your hometown. Okay?
टैंडम साइकिल है, इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल राइडर्स.
ಅದು 2 ಜನ ಬಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಯ್ತಂತ ಈಗ.
Who, sir? What happened? Kids, sir.
Black t-shirt with us.
Mahesh, what happened?
One guy, this guy,
Huh?
he hit him from
Ah.
Sir, Hanni Pandal.
मधुकर्षण है सर. की फेल, हाँ?
The team, volunteers and others, please.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಟು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ,
ಸೆಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್
ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ರೂಕ್.
ಬ್ರೂಕ್ಸ್.
ಆಸಮ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದು ಲೆದರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ರೂಕೆ. Whatever you say, brook is brook. When you go for 200 kilometers and all, without brook, it burns. With brook, you won't feel anything.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
ಇದು
Look.
ಲೆದರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Huh?
ಇದು leather
ಇದು ಲೆದರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್.
ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ.
Reagan. In our cycles, no stand, so we have to stand. As you can tell. ये है मलपे बीच का ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारा. फिर से एक बार मलपे का राउंड मारेंगे. अभी के लिए बेचारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स कुछ चेक कर रहे हैं, जाके देखते हैं. ಭಾರ್ಗವ್ ಏನು ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಂತದಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾಗೆ ಓ ಹಾಗೆಯಾ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರು? ನೈಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು.
Wonderful going, but adventures for health. It's a good going. Team assaulted from Chiknis to Achas and Ajis. Everybody in the team. So, sir, excuse me. Hello, listen to me please. Some professional observations. One appeal to you again is, we should not inconvenience the traffic. All of us may be very good riders individually, but as a team, we should be ready to sacrifice to be together. The team spirit. My eyes are sharp enough to recognize who broke the teams. I'm very sure of it. By person I can recognize. It's videographed. What I mean is this. Team spirit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. That is the way we can go together. Otherwise, individually I may be a very good rider. Or otherwise, where is our international cyclist? He may be the best rider. But the point is that, can we go together? Yeah. Fine.
Mr. Srinidhi Urala, recently he participated All India Championship in Kurukshetra.
You have heard it. Shall we clap hands?
160 kilometers.
Very nice of you. And I will help you to meet with another wonderful boy. Where is our Ganesh?
No, I have already met him.
No, you have to meet right in front of the formal audience here. Here is an international cyclist who is known for high altitude cycling,
Yes.
Ganesh Naik. So, then you did not clap. Your claps are not strong for the Fit India. Let it be stronger claps. Come on. Everyone. Everybody. Now, Fit India also means fitness around us, even environment. And in the Zarur 10 minute ke liye, you will be taken by the Amoga team who are working on the social service side. Join them, pick a few things according to the quantum you pick as littered things. Littered things pick for the quantity anugunavagi, they may give you a prize also. Yes, you quantity pick for other minute. But added to that, before we depart from this area as a team, please follow the discipline. Head ready, everybody, strong clap. Start. Hey!
India. ಜೈ ಹೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ.
ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ದಮ್ಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. 1 2 3
ಜೈ ಹೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ.
1 2 3
ಜೈ ಹೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ.
थोड़ा दम है. How we are going? Team, girls team, Ajay team. All girls, please come. Sir, Amaga team, one team, one team. Bravos, B team. Bravos, join them please. Join them. Captain team, captains, please come. And Rakos, Heroes and fighters. Sir, Amar Reddy. Heroes and gallants. Heroes and gallants.
ಕಾಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮೈ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಓಹ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸತ್ಯ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್
ब्यूटीफुल मल्टे बीच। आज हमारी टीम जो आई है सबने प्लान किया है कि सब कुछ कचरा साफ है पार्ट ऑफ क्लीन इंडिया।
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ
I think we have to collect and put in that bag.
I thought each team will get a bag.
Yes, I think so, sir. हम लोग कहीं भी जाते हैं तो कचरा फेंक के आ जाते हैं। तो अगर हम लोगों ने कभी भी कहीं भी जाओ तो इंस्टेड ऑफ कचरा फेंकने यहाँ तक फेंको मत, या तो एक थोड़ा सा कचरा हला के डस्टबिन में डाल दो, तो सोचो हमारा इंडिया कितना क्लीन रहेगा। हम लोग बोलते हैं हमारा इंडिया, वी लव इंडिया, और जो हम लोग पसंद करते हैं, क्या हम लोग अपना घर गंदा रखते हैं तो अपना देश क्यों गंदा रखें। अगर आप करना शुरू करोगे तो आपको देख के बहुत सारे दूसरे लोग भी कचरा खाली करना शुरू करेंगे। अगर आप कचरा फेंकोगे तो आपको देख के दूसरे फॉलो करेंगे, आपके बच्चे फॉलो करेंगे, यंगस्टर्स फॉलो करेंगे। तो बेटर है हम लोग भी कचरा फेंकने के बदल कचरा कलेक्ट करना शुरू करें, ताकि हमारे इंडिया क्लीन हो जाए। फिर हम लोग शान से बोलेंगे आई लव मनी।
ಸುನಿಲ್ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಲ್ಸು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿ ನಿಂತು ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ गुड मॉर्निंग। ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಇತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೌದು, ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. No, the moment, see, we all reach before to 6 o'clock. The moment people come, give them, they wear, they will be ready. Marriage effect.
Ajay team. Ajay team. First question. Coming to you with all affection.
Okay. Now the questions are very simple.
Sir, let's be together. Yes, sir. Please.
Ready?
Bathur matadbedi. Ajay.
The team member has to write. Captain of the team has to raise his hand. Whoever know the answer.
Only Ajay now. Question to Ajay.
Who raises their hand first? No, will be given an opportunity to answer. Okay. The first question goes.
Ajay.
No, not like that, sir. We will open. We'll keep
Oh,
it open.
fine.
Is it okay?
As you say.
Like that. Okay. That also.
Round robin. Round robin is
Round
Ajay.
robin or shall I make?
Round robin. Kanudu sir, they are not within the
Then
body.
okay. We'll do.
They are
round
going to
robin.
180 degrees.
Ajay team. If it's not answered by Ajay team, it
Bravo.
goes to next.
Yeah, bravo.
Bravo team.
Ajay,
First
ready.
question to Ajay team. What is the normal range of heart rate in human beings?
Heart rate.
Quick. Range.
Range ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Range.
70 to 75.
I think it goes to. Okay.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್?
It's in the middle, but it's tilted to the
ಓಕೆ.
But, we will award it. But the correct answer is 60 to 120. It's okay, fine. We will.
But I got one more question to follow. Who has got a bigger heart? Is it the woman or is it the man? Sorry on that. We should be very clear.
Next question to Bravo team. Where is Bravo team? Yes. The question is, which part in the body is considered as second heart?
Very good question.
Second heart ಯಾವುದು? Team captain.
So 10, 9. Wrong. Let's go to C team. C is
C team.
captain.
Captains.
Captain team.
Reagan.
Captain team. Yeah, tell me.
ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, you could ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. No repetition.
Repeated. Which is the second heart of the human body?
Second heart in the human body.
Next, D team.
D team. D.
Drango.
Draco.
Dragons or Drangos? No, it will come to you also.
D.
D.
ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
Six.
E.
What is that? D.
E team. Oh yeah.
Yes,
Right. Yeah, all right. Chalo. Yeah, I never knew that you got a
Now
cough.
the question goes to answer is cough. Your all side is low. So our second heart is cough. Because heart is the regular thing. We have to pump
Second heart of the
blood
body
from
is
the
calf
lower end, no?
muscle. It's
Lower
very
part of the
important
body.
as I think.
Those who
And the
have got
third
a calf muscle, no heart
No
attack.
heart attack. That is true.
100%. Okay.
Next
Two
question.
doctors
Next question
saying
to
that. Team captain, sir. Team captain.
Captain C team. Ready? Who is the gold medalist in cycling 2020 Olympic Championships?
Yes, side. ಯಾರದು?
I hope you have all studied well about you research yourself.
Hey, if you don't know, pass it.
Who is the gold medalist? Yeah.
D, D.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No cyclist.
E.
International cyclist.
E team.
E.
1, 2, 3, 4,
No Google.
F team.
F team.
F.
G.
E ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ F ಬರುದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕಲ್ಸಿದ್ರು G
2, 3, 4.
ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತದು
Something Richard.
After G it is H.
H. Sorry. Okay. H.
Is it Chris Froome? Is it Chris Froome?
Wrong.
Richard.
Okay. Again come to the A team.
Richard. G.
You are next. You have to complete the answer. Richard, that's okay.
Richard Lewis is there.
Okay. The answer is. You want the answer? Answer is Richard Carapaz from Ecuador.
ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ
Yeah. Richard Carapaz from Ecuador. So next again.
D team sir D
C ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ D.
This is the fifth question. Sorry. Fourth question.
D
Which is the longest bone in the human body?
Oh F can answer that
That's correct. Don't Google and tell the answer. No Googling. If you are Googling and saying
ಆಯ್ತಾ
yes, correct.
ಯಾರು ಪದೋ F ಟೀಮ್ ನವರಿಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಇತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು E ಅವರಾ ಓಕೆ
Which country in the world is known for cycling?
ಹಾ
Which is the country in the world which is known for cycling? They do cycles only.
1, 2, 3,
No, question comes to you. Wait.
4, 5. Next group.
Next group. Huh? Sweden. Wrong.
Next group.
Wrong. Denmark. Who said that?
From Denmark. Who said?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು Who said that? Oh, you. I think you should. Your video coming.
They have made it cycling there.
Because they have
Next question,
parking for
please.
cycles only. Multi-billion, this one.
Next question.
building, only for cycle parking. 99% they do only cycle.
Cycling capital of India. Which one?
Pune.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾರ್ರೆ ನೀವು.
Which is capital? Who? It comes to?
Cycling.
Wrong.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Sir, you are biased, sir. You are guilty.
Hey,
No.
why this you have no answer? Will not take your answer.
No, answer is gone. Now, Team F.
Next.
Team F. Team G. G, yes. Pune answer.
Answer
Pune hold, sir.
Next question.
Answer.
Answer is Mumbai.
ನಾಯಿ ಬೀಗ ಇಂಚೆಂಚು ಬರ್ಕೊಡೋದು
Next question is, which is the cleanest city in India?
ಇದು
It's a village like
One question.
One
Which is?
question.
No.
ಇಂದೋರ್
Okay.
Sir,
The prize will be awarded if you
Sir,
answer the next
sir,
question.
you should answer one more question. Excuse me, Kamaji, you have said about the city. Tell me which is the cleanest village in the country. Where is that area? Yes? No, it is in the northeast. Which one is that? Northeast. Nifa area.
Questions are there.
Right. Nifa area.
And okay, which is the second cleanest city? Is the Surat. Surat is the second cleanest city. It is awarded recently awarded.
Okay.
So that's it.
Last few questions. No pen, nothing.
No pen?
But we will give the clap.
Okay. What is the slogan of Swachh Bharat?
Off.
Okay.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. What is the
Anybody can
slogan?
answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This thing is one step towards cleanliness.
Okay.
Is the slogan, official slogan of Swachh Bharat.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Narendra. He is orthopedician from Chunag Hospital. He has provided ambulance services for us. That is why more health questions. Next time we'll have more cycling questions. Thank you. All the best. We'll have one group photo. Yeah, we'll have a group photo. Please assemble this side. Yeah, please come.
Won the prize. Line up with your cycles. All you, madam. Ali, madam. Cater to me, please.
Now time to wrap up. Go back to the breakfast point. Unfortunately, मैं साथ नहीं दे पाऊँगा, मुझे कुछ पर्सनल कमिटमेंट्स की वजह से निकलना पड़ेगा, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मज़ा आया। सर, थैंक यू सो मच। कीप इन टच सर। Bit personal commitment.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Next future, sure. Thank you. Mahesh, chalo. Okay, sir.
All
Bye.
make the road. Dracos or dragons?
Thank you so much.
So kind of you.
Thank you.
Please. Dragons, dracos, eagles.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಜರ್ ಸಿಗಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೇನು ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಂಗೆ